Hey guys, it was my birthday recently. I turned 23 on the 19th of June, so I thought I would show you what I got for my birthday. So yeah, let's get into it. So first I'll show you what my best friend Abby got for me. She got me some really cute things. So this is like the highlight of what she got me. She made me this tiny little photo album, and it's just got photos of me and like all of my friends. It's got like my nephews in it. It's so hard, it's not focusing. It's got like my nephews in it, it's got Cade in it, and yeah, all of our friends, which I just thought was the sweetest thing in the entire world. Like, it's just the cutest thing in the world. So thoughtful and so sweet, something that I'll cherish forever. She also got me this soap, which smells incredible. This is from Squish Soaps. It's handmade in Tasmania, orange scented, and it smells so incredible. That's how it looks there. Super cute. Yum, that smells really good. And then she also got me a little sundae or like frappe keychain. I'm obsessed with keychains. I'm obsessed with things like this, so that just makes my heart so happy. And then also a little tiny like what's it called? Like a mini tiny boba. So I just thought that was the sweetest thing in the entire world. So yeah, she got me those, and she also got me some donut socks, which let me find and show you. So here are the donut socks here. Aren't they the cutest things ever? So yeah, obviously they're socks, but they've rolled them up to look like donuts, which is just one of the cutest things I've ever seen. So yeah, that was what my best friend got me, and it was just so sweet and so thoughtful. My sister bought me this candle, which I'm so excited about. This is the Jack and Sally candle. I do have one of these, but I've got 0 on it, and this one has Sally in it. So I'm obsessed. This is from Short Story, I think. Oh, it smells so good. So you can see it's got a little Sally pin up there. I'll never ever burn this, and I'm going to sit it right next to my one over there that has 0. I'll just show you the other one I've got. This is the other one I have that I bought ages ago. So now they're like sisters. And it was so funny because the day of my birthday I went out to Zing and I was eyeing this candle off, like I almost bought it. And it was so lucky I didn't, because yeah, my sister got it for me. Then from my mom, I really wanted these Peter Alexander pajamas because they're Rugrats, and she got them for me, and I'm so obsessed. I think these are the cutest thing ever. I haven't worn them yet because I've been waiting to show them to you guys on camera. So that's the top. And then these are the pants, super cute. So I'm so excited that I can finally wear them now because I've showed them to you. And then she also got me the little undies, which are just once again so cute. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. Rugrats is one of my all-time favourite shows, and anything Rugrats I am absolutely obsessed with. But it's sad because they don't really come out with many Rugrats things anymore, because obviously it's not new anymore. So anytime that there's a Rugrats collab or I see anything that has Rugrats on it, I buy it. And then the last thing that my mum got me was this little strawberry shortcake pop, which I'm so excited about. It says it's strawberry scented, but I think they're lying. They lying just a little bit. But how cute is it? I'm absolutely obsessed. So I'm so excited about that. Cade got me some Squishmallows, which are in the bedroom at the moment, and he's playing his PlayStation, so I won't show you them, but they're really cute. He got me a mango, and he got me a little hedgehog eating watermelon, and he also got me a little apple juice, and they were just the sweetest things in the whole entire world. And then I got myself 2 things, I think, for my birthday when I went out. We went out for, Kate and I took the day off work and we went out for sushi and just went to Zing and stuff. It was a really nice day. So I'll show you what I got myself. So I got myself some of the Groot pops. So this is Groot in a onesie, which, like, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen in the whole world? And then I also got Groot with cheese puffs, which is like also just one of the cutest things in the entire world. So yeah, I had a really nice birthday. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all your lovely comments on Instagram and stuff wishing me a happy birthday. I had a great day. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video.